In 2016, I worked for NASA at Cape Kennedy in Florida. I was very fortunate to be involved at the very beginning of a conspicuously revolutionary project with intrinsically interwoven potential for capturing the abeyant pre-patent market in the extraordinary engineering field of dynamic generational vortex manipulation of cavernous metallic structures. With purposeful desideratum design experience in my resume, it was only natural that Windaroo Valley State High School's ITD department would see the potential of utilising my science, technology, engineering and design experience. For a number of years now, work has been proceeding in order to bring perfection to the crudely conceived idea of a transmission that would supply inverse reactive current for use in unilateral phase detectors, but would also be capable of automatically synchronizing cardinal grammmeters whilst applying inversely proportional resorption to the aggregate gaseous parameters of the previously mentioned cavernous metallic structures. Such an instrument is the turbo-encabulator. Following commodious, all-encompassing research, it was realized through the application of a design process incorporating socio-technical intervention in an ultimately interdisciplinary layer that, instead of power being generated by the relative motion of conductors and fluxes, power can be produced using a new principle through the modial interaction of magneto-reluctance and capacitive directance. The original machine had a base plate of pre-fannulated annulite surmounted by a malleable logarithmic casing in such a way that the two spurving bearings were in a direct line with the panometric fan. The latter consisted simply of 6 hydrocoptic Marsal vanes so fitted to the ambifacient lunar wane shaft that side fumbling was effectively prevented. The main winding was of the normal Lotus O delta type placed in panadamic semi-boloid slots of the stator, every 7th conductor being connected by a non-reversible tremie pipe to the differential girdle spring on the up end of the grammeters. The turbo-encabulator has now reached a high level of development and is being successfully used in the operation of novatrunnions, which I will demonstrate. Moreover, whenever a fluorescent score motion is required, it may also be employed in conjunction with a drawn reciprocation dingle arm to reduce sinusoidal repleneration. Watch how the turbo-encabulator is able to crush and condense the space-time circumambient to this cavernous metallic structure.